Hi, to use Secure Folder on Samsung Galaxy S25, we have to start with opening Settings. And right now we need to scroll till we could see tab which is named Security and Privacy. Then you need to start scrolling down and find More Security Settings. And now simply tap on Secure Folder right here. So first thing first, we need to tap Continue to actually set up Secure Folder, and now it is creating it. So basically with Secure Folder you can lock apps, you can create like two spaces on your phone because you can have one main app on your homepage and another type of the same app in Secure Folder. So now we need to set a pattern, PIN code or password. So let's choose pattern and draw unlock pattern. Then tap continue and draw it again. Also we can allow lock reset with Samsung account. I suggest you to allow it. And also we can enable fingerprints and just tap next. After that you should see this list of apps which you can find in Secure Folder. To add more, just tap on plus. And then add something from the list like that, and it will appear in Selected Apps tab. Tap Add button, and this is how it will look now. After that, we can go back in Secure Folder Settings, make Pattern visible, and then go in Auto Locate and choose each time I leave an app for the best protection. And make sure to add Secure Folder to your app screens. And now let's check it. I'm gonna swipe up to enable my app drawer, swipe left, and here it is. So basically, we need to unlock it first. And now I got here this gallery app, and I got my main app on my home screen. In my main gallery app, I got this type of items, so I got photos, videos, screenshots, and so on. But in Gallery in Secure Folder, I got nothing. So this is a cool way how I can hide photos and videos by moving them into Secure Folder. For that, find photo you wanna move, tap three dots and choose Move to Secure Folder. Then verify your identity. And now this photo will disappear from your gallery and be moved to Secure Folder. So let's check it. I'm gonna unlock it, go in my gallery, and yes, here it is. Basically, you can do the same with your Notes app here, Files app. You can also have two different accounts in Facebook. So here you can have one account, and in your main Facebook you can have another account. And if you decide to uninstall it, then open it first. Tap on three dots, go in Settings, scroll down, tap More Settings, and then tap Uninstall. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.